Even after winter has come and the snow has fallen, there are still songbirds to be heard and seen. This woodpecker has come in for a snack. Do you see his red cap? The woodpecker drills for food. Woodpecker's long bill allows him to drill into trees. During the warm time, you might hear him drilling into trees, and in the winter time, you might see him at your feeder. Watch these birds scatter. The blue jay has arrived. The blue jay has one of the most beautiful coats in the animal kingdom. It is bright blue and white. The blue jay is a very hardy bird, and he does not mind the cold weather of winter. So keep your eyes out in the winter, and you might see him at your bird feeder. This blue jay has a friend. Watch him swoop in. They'll play together near the seed. The triangular point that you see at his head is called a crest. Here we get a close view of the blue jay crunching through these seeds. Blue jays are quite large compared to many other birds, so you'll notice how the other birds get out of their way when the blue jay approaches. The blue jay isn't the only beautiful bird that stays around in the winter time where it's really cold. There's also the red cardinal that stays around. If you put your feeder out in the wintertime, you will see this bright red bird as well. Put your feeder out in the winter, and you might just see some beautiful birds.